the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now he is playing a recording. He called out 99 and a lot of other people to come and listen to what was going on, because there's some, names being called. So go ahead and watch the video, or listen to it I should say, and come to your own conclusion. Comment and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
I said, okay, met my call and find out why I want. I did exactly that. So, on the other ear, said Dwayne Fletcher had no knowledge as to what was happening. Because what did I do? I recorded the conversation. And Solaine, before I play this recording, I want you to know, I didn't record you out of malicious intent. I did it because I knew something of this magnitude was going to come up. And lo and behold, oh no, you and the people that you're with, after hearing what I heard in Lorraine's live, Mr. Ratted, then how on earth you are now, how I don't get it. I really don't get it. Why all of this all of this happened? I started asking a lot of questions. So I recorded you. I recorded a conversation. I did. So Porte, bring your clock over here. Porte, Grace, 360, Tuffy, all four of you, come to the front of the class, because I'm going to say this is my very last time addressing any nonsense to do with Solaine. I don't care for the woman. I don't care. I live in England and I've never lived in a ghetto in my life. And I don't see why you people are trying to drag me in ghetto business, ghetto mentality, ghetto lifestyle. I've never had to endure any kind of ghetto lifestyle. So leave me out. And oh no, go and find another target to hop on and hop off my fender. All right? Don't come for me unless I send for any of you. Don't come for me unless I send for Ono. And I realize all four of you, well, not all three of you have this vendetta against me. And I until this very day, I cannot understand what is the vendetta about. Because if you guys ask me, Dwayne, do you hate them? I'm going to answer you guys and say no. I have no ill will in my heart towards any of you. Yet still, every opportunity you guys get, you try to bring me down. And I promise you, I am the only one. Me, Dwayne Fletcher, is the only one who can bring me down. Hear me? I built this. Me, build over your son, not Uno. Gally, yes, I my post look at your mix up over here, which is now deleted. All of you, my post look at a mix up over here, and I deleted all of you. Now I'm doing my own thing, and I will do so moving forward without hindrance. And I don't care. I don't care for none of Uno. Understand? I can't be dirty-minded, Karen. Karen, you see, Karen, I grew up differently compared to, you see, all of them have this ghetto mentality, this tear-down mentality. I don't know where it came from, but listen, darling, I cannot be like Ono, and I would never want to be like any of you. Dirty Gally, I hear it over there today. Everything the people are calling, you want to agree with, like to say, you think you can tear me down. Darling, 360, darling. Go tear down the man or the main. Go and tear him down. That very kid who him not look pay you. I him if you go tear them because him stop loving you. Imagine having a child that don't love you no more. You're not ashamed. Aren't you ashamed? Porty, it's not my fault your children don't love you, Porty. I am loved. I am truly loved. I know why you're mad at me. It's because I love to flaunt my family in your face. Darling, that is not my prerogative. That is not my prerogative. Walande, my black Jamaica, my wash it over here, cause you know what she done earlier, guys. You know what she done earlier? She took my video and went to YouTube, go make money with, which is okay. I'm not mad. They pushed me, they poked me, and I took the bait and I gave them the content they wanted. Yes, I did. I'm going the content you people were so craving for. However, I'm going to give one more content to go out with. And remember, I told you guys, if Solaine gets harmed, blame yourselves because you people push me to this. Understand? You people always try to insinuate I have this vendetta against the people. And when poor me, I could care less what they. I could care less. I could care. I live how far is Jamaica from the United Kingdom? 4,688 miles. I live 4,688 miles from Jamaica. Why do you guys think I want to be all up in people's lives in Jamaica so much? A third world country. I live in the 5th richest country in the world. The 5th richest country in the world. And I ain't saying this to cause any offense to anyone. It's just the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Let me unblock Jamaica because I want. Porty admins, I know you guys love to come over here and record my stuff to give her. Record this and give it to her. And never mind, you ain't gonna record this. You ain't gonna record this. I just pulled Jamaica. Make you come over here. Come here for yourself without all tired of self on the top, right? I wonder when last 360 take a shot. Darling, I care about me. I got a whole, I got a different shot. I look after me and me only. Understand? Anyways, Porty come to the front. Gracie come to the front. 360 come to the front. I know you're itch up over your pay your fake account because on have to watch me. All 4 of you have to watch me, and I'm giving all 4 of you content. All 3 of you content to take to your live with to go make a little money off of the bedsit pissy pampers disabled boy right now. All right. Thank me later. Thank me later. People, honest to God, I never wanted to record the conversation. However, I felt like this smell. I could smell the rat, and I feel like people are trying to set me up, right? So it's a lucky thing. Hold on, I need to call Curly. Curly, I need you to hear this too. Let me call Curly. I did tell Curly I wanted to hear something. Let me call her. 1 second. I hope she will answer. 1 second. Because last time she said she was going to damn FedEx. Hello, I'm on my live. Don't talk. I'm on my live. I need you to come over because I want you to hear something. Come on the live and listen to this. You need to hear this. I am there. Oh, you're there. All right, good ups. All right. Good. All right.